Hello, my name is Timothy Marr. I'm a part of the EForT scalping team, and my PO is Dr. Masood Sajadi, and this video is going to be about installing MetaTrader 5 and configuring the EFST files. So the first thing you're going to want to do starting off is you're going to want to go to metatrader5.com/en/download and download MetaTrader 5. It's a rather simple download. Just be aware of where you are putting the MetaTrader 5 folder, because we're going to be able to go back into that and add the code from GitHub. Now that we have GitHub, we are going to look for certain files, but make sure that you have access from your PO. And also, if you ever need to see something else on how to download it, this is also a descriptor on how you are going to include the MetaTrader 5 folder. But I'm going to show you how to do it here. So the first thing you're going to want to do is make sure that the branch you're on, which it should be master, but for the sake of our project not being pushed to master yet, we're going to work off of our branch. Make sure that the EFST files are there. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to go to MQL5, then you go to experts, then you go to EForT, then you go to EFST, and this is our expert advisor. This should be present. Now we're going to go back to MQL5, include, then we're going to go to expert, then we're going to go to signal, then EForT again, and then EFST, and this is the signal. So if all of those things are present, then we are good to go. So what we're going to do is make sure that you have a terminal that you can use or something with Git, and you're going to locate this folder inside of your terminal, inside of the MetaQuotes folder called DO, etc., with all these numbers, and make sure that you find this folder. It's going to be default in your app data roaming, so look around there or where you have downloaded MetaQuotes. It should be there. And then go into this folder, and what you're going to do is you're going to go to clone, and you're going to copy this link, and then you're going to paste it here, with git clone to clone the link, and it's going to clone the folder. Now that that is done downloading, you're going to go into your folder where you had put that, and it's going to create this file, and it's called EForT Data Folder MQL5. So what you're going to do is you're going to double click that, and it's going to have your MQL5 folder. So what I had done is I just dragged this folder into this folder and rename the MQL5 folder you have to something else, and then once you open up MetaEditor, it will go off of the folder that you had just placed, since it has the same name MQL5. So I'm not going to do that for the fact that it's the same file that we have here. So what we're going to do is we're going to open up MetaEditor, and once MetaEditor is up, ensure that the file that you have placed has everything that you need. So go into the same way that we did with GitHub, experts, then you go to advisors, or EForT, EFST, and then this is our expert advisor. Now to get the signal, you're going to go into include, and then you're going to go into expert, then you're going to go into signal, EForT, EFST, and then there is our signal. And that is how you download MQL5 and configure the EFST data.